Hey everyone, this is a video of a quick unboxing of the latest model from Tamiya. This actually was released in October, and when I saw this on eBay, I quickly grabbed it because I look in Amazon, there is nothing in Amazon, so I was very surprised and very happy to be able to get this on eBay. It shipped from Hong Kong and came here within a week, so I'm super excited to able to receive this so early. So this is the Ducati, one of the most I guess well-liked bike, and I love this bike very much because it's aggressive and it's very beautiful. And I couldn't afford to buy a real bike or even ride one, so the best next thing is to get a model. So here we go. The model, the box itself is very standard for Tamiya, so it has a really nice good graphic on the side. It has some Japanese words. As you can see, it's pretty much everything is Japanese on the outside. On the inside, let's open it up. This box is pretty heavy, and that means that it has a lot of parts and has a lot of details. Inside there are a couple of bags. So we have the white spruce, the black, the silver, another two more bags of black, the clear, a number of clear parts, surprisingly. As usual, the vinyl tubing, the tires and screws, and some of these decals. Of course, not to mention the instruction booklet. So the instruction itself, it's pretty long and it's staple, which is kind of surprising because usually Tamiya instructions are pretty much laid out in one piece of paper, but this is multiple pages. So just quickly glance through it. These are all usually the Tamiya normal stuff. And at the end, there are markings. The marking is only good for, let me see, one set of color, which is black and red. I'm not sure I like this color much. I have to decide what color markings I need. I may need to repaint the whole thing. I don't really think I want to use the decal that much, but let's open the decal and see what's inside. So the decal has a couple items. These are the maskings with the metallic silver for the mirrors, and these are probably some of the lines for the bikes and for the wheels, and the decal. So it's carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it shows up on screen. All the blacks are carbon fiber, which is pretty neat. The red color, I'm not sure I like the red, but everything else looks fine. And like I said, I have to decide what color markings I need. The decals are very well printed, so if I just shine some of the lights, see the red color, they kind of pop and has a 3D surface. So this is a really nice decal. So the white parts are mostly the cowling, the seats, the rear seat, pretty normal stuff. Obviously white allows better adherence of other color. And if you notice, I just want to zoom in a little bit, it has a lot of good details, as you can see here, which is pretty neat. I like it so far. These are some of the black parts: the exhaust system, the rear seats. I don't know what these are, but The black is true semi-gloss black. Most of the time you do need to repaint all of them. I actually plan to repaint every parts as I work on models. Okay, so let's work on the other black parts. This is the motor frame itself. And again, they all are in semi-gloss black. And I love the details. If you notice, the handlebar has really nice fine details. It's amazing. The wheels, the brake, this, and I'm not sure you notice, the brakes, they all have all the holes drilled, which is amazing. I know in the older Tamiya parts you do have to drill the holes, but this is all pre-drilled, which is great. Love it. Okay, and last but not least, well, actually, no, this is the second last. This is the engine parts. This is a staple. Engine part is in metallic gray. The front forks. Okay, it does come with two sets of chains. Not sure why. And all the parts are nicely laid out and very easy to read. As again with Tamiya style, this is really an impeccable model. And last but not least, we have clear parts. The clear parts to break anything because probably irreplaceable. So we have the screen, the windshield. There are more parts here. These are probably the brake lights and the accent lights. Okay, so there you have it. So this is a quick first review of the Ducati Superleggera. This is really something that I was looking forward to, and I am so stoked in getting this in the mail today. I am really want to jump right in, but like always, jumping right in, I'm going to regret it. So I'm going to plan ahead how I want to tackle this. Hopefully, this gives you an idea what's in the model itself and what to look forward to. I can tell you that it's going to come out really great. If you look at the color itself, the color of the bike just pop. You cannot go wrong with this model. So anyway, this is the video that I just want to really show everyone. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you subscribe to my video, the channel, as I post more videos. That's it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again.